Dear Spark Learning Fund team, greetings from Pakistan. Hi, this is Ms. Sundar Shabir, Program Officer, Health and Rural Development, Hard Balochistan. In this video, I am going to share with you the essence of exchange learning that Hard Balochistan proposed to host. Hard Balochistan is a firework applicant, that is why just sharing this video as a lead organization on the behalf of its other two Spark Learning Exchange Program co-partner or co-host. In the proposed learning exchange program, our curiosity stirs up our desire around the key question to find out and to share with the different development practitioners and learn from them that what kind of implications or programs addressing female sexuality and ending child marriage in various regions belonging from different religious, cultural, tribal or linguistic background in rural, urban settings and suburban settings. In this exchange, we want to learn and enhance our understanding that what kind of approaches, practices, interventions went well, how and why in addressing female sexuality and ending child marriages in all three regions. The question is designed in an overview approach in which conversation will cover from designing to the evaluation of the project and or interventions where development experts, communities, field staff to the CEOs and policy makers from different regions, districts and communities get together at the one platform and share and exchange their insights, approaches, experiences, interventions, methodologies that will help to learn them to learn from each other. That will produce interesting learning among the development practitioners around the thematic area. We are women and child rights focused and advocacy organization and working from decade on the thematic area at community and provincial level. From last 4 years, we are bringing like-minded CSO stakeholders at one page and advocating to end child marriages and particularly mobilizing political will that for the enactment of the child marriage prohibition law that raises the marriage age at 18 years. We understand the social, religious and outdated traditional cultural norms, values and misinterpretations as well as the physical, mental and economic, socio-economic consequences or worst impact of child marriage on the lives of children, especially on girls' child and their communities on daily basis. Furthermore, we have been faced challenges in development, implementation and evaluation of child marriage projects and programs. This is because we are extremely passionate in this learning that in order we will be gathered at one platform where we will share our insights, our experiences with other organizations and then we convene new knowledge and successful practices to apply for addressing female sexuality and ending child marriages in our communities to contribute in Pakistan in achieving 8 out of 17 SDGs. In this firework, there are 3 Spark Learning Exchange programs that will be held at regional level. One of them will be hosted by Hard Balochistan in Quetta region and the other 2 will be hosted with the collaboration of Youth Association for Development in Zob region and Seher Arts for Peace and Sustainable Development in Nasirabad region. These organizations were taken as the collaborators in this program on the basis of their experiences and knowledge regarding around the thematic area of learning exchange program and membership with Girls Not Bride. Seher Arts for Peace and Sustainable Development is the Girls Not Bride, a lead organization member from Pakistan that corroborates our eligibility for this program. Organizations or groups that are planned to invite for this program are that Hard Balochistan organization and groups are Child Rights Movement, Azad Foundation, Society for Empowering Human Resource, Girls Not Bride. Seher Arts organization and groups are Women Development and Community Organization, NGO Network and SPEED. Yad organization and groups are Aid Balochistan, Salar Foundation, aware organization. Firework Learning Exchange Program organizations and groups are Spark Learning Exchange Group, Civil Society Balochistan, Balochistan Women Network. Organizations have been planned to participate in this program on the basis of their immense expertise, experiences, and that they have been working from decades on the thematic area at community and provincial level. There are other organizations and groups, networks that have been working on the thematic area will be identified and will be invited in this program. Child rights movement, NGOs, Balochistan Women Networks have the collaboration with these organizations. In addition, policymakers, lawyers, human rights defenders and journalists who worked on child marriages will be invited to participate in this program. The networks or groups that are chosen to participate in this program have been working from decades in various multicultural, multi-religious or multi-traditional contexts, and these network have been engaged and worked at policy level and lobbied and advocated with parliamentarians to end child marriages in their communities. The participatory tools and methodologies that will be used in sharing and learning and reflecting in this learning exchange program will be introduction, round ribbon storytelling, brainstorming, world cafe that will be used for sharing and learning. Then round ribbon storytelling, top stairways, truth, confusion and importance, and blind spot will be used in reflecting. VIPP card collection, clustering, SWOT analysis will be used in sense making, documentation and production, and products will be used in formulating implications and recommendations. The expected results of the learning exchange program will be the new knowledge, implications and recommendations will be explored and then shared among development practitioners and others who are working on child marriage projects to apply and improve designing, implementations and evaluation of their child marriage programs for addressing adolescent sexuality and ending child marriages in Pakistan. Movement against ending child marriage will be strengthened. Coordination, networking and linkages will be developed among development practitioners for exchanging learning and practices. The learning exchange program will be an opportunity for development practitioners to come together, exchange and learn from each other about how to combat child marriages. Compared to before, the action of eliminating child marriage will be accelerated to combat child marriage.